Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Aslam here from LeadFlex. So in this video I am going to show you how you can integrate SiteGround subdomain to the GoHighLevel. It's a super easy. First step, let's go to the domain area. GoHighLevel, go to setting, and after that we can go here domain area. Here we can say that we will connect our domain. For example, I will say that link.leadsflex.com. That's my domain that I want to add in a GoHighLevel. So I need to add manual. If you have domain on a GoDaddy or you have on a Namecheap, then you can do automatically, but right now I have domain on a SiteGround, so that's why I need to do manual. So this C record we need to add in a SiteGround. It's a super easy. I just log in my SiteGround account as well, and here you see I am on the LeadFlex domain area, and here we can go to the domain area, and here also super easy. I can click on a DNS zone records, and here I need to add C record here. I will see add C record here, and what was the domain our that's check in a GoHighLevel. The host is link and required value is this. I just click on a copy button, it will be copy here, and I just paste here the value that I copy from SiteGround, and link host is already linked. So I just add this domain. Yeah, its record is added. So go back in a GoHighLevel and verify this domain. It will take few seconds. It will take a few seconds. Okay. In the meantime, yeah, it says could not find CNAME records pointing to the link SiteGround. Okay, let's check. It says C record is not pointing. We need to check the domain. Let me go back and check the domain. That's the exact domain that we have here. So normally that's the way we are going to add domain in a SiteGround to the GoHighLevel. It's a super easy 2 and 3 step. Yeah, domain is linked right now. So right now you see our domain is linked. So we need to add with our funnels, with our website, wherever you want to link, you can just one click link it. So right now I'm not going to link with any funnels or websites. So if you need any GoHighLevel services, and if you have any issue with domain integrations, and if you have any if you need any GoHighLevel related services, you need to just type LeadFlex in a Google. You will find this website, and you can book free consultation. I will guide you and I will fix your minor issues in free of cost. So thank you so much for watching this video.